Hello, welcome to Journey with Judy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get rid of cough. Very simple, effective remedy to get rid of cough. And I have just one lemon, so I'm making use of one lemon for this. I will need the lemon juice, the lemon seed, and the lemon peel for this. So we'll be adding our clove to this drink, okay? And we just need 1 teaspoon of clove. And this is what clove looks like, okay? This is clove, also known as zobo pepper. So add 2 cups of water to my pot. Cover your pot, allow it to boil. Once it starts boiling, leave it for extra 5 minutes and turn off the heat. Our drink for cough is ready. This is super effective. Give this a try, you will love it. This also helps for infection, okay? So if you're suffering from severe cough, this will treat both the cause of the cough and make you feel so good. Take half a glass cup, morning, first thing in the morning, and last thing before going to bed. You can as well add honey to this to give it a lovely taste. So give this a try. You're going to love it. Super effective remedy for cough. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.